Let's diagnose why your Nextbase Dash Cam isn't connecting. Common culprits include firmware glitches, app issues, router incompatibilities, or signal interference. Since many users still have issues even with the newer models, let's get to the root of the problem and look at both easy and advanced ways to fix this. Quick fixes. The first steps to try. Begin with basic troubleshooting. Power cycle your dash cam and your router. Ensure your Nextbase app is updated to the latest version, 2.15 or newer. Verify you're within 10 to 15 meters of the dash cam during pairing. Double-check your Wi-Fi password and SSID are entered correctly in the app. Many users find these steps resolve simple connection problems immediately. Nextbase dash cams use Wi-Fi to connect with your smartphone or tablet. The key to understanding connectivity issues lies in the fundamentals of how this wireless technology works. Dash cams typically use two Wi-Fi frequency bands, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. The 2.4 GHz band provides better range, allowing connections from farther away, but it experiences more interference from other devices and has slower data speeds. In contrast, the 5 GHz band offers faster speeds and less interference, making it ideal for smooth video streaming, but it has a shorter effective range and can struggle with obstacles like walls. Your Nextbase dash cam functions as a Wi-Fi hotspot, creating its own wireless network that your smartphone or tablet can connect to. This means the dash cam broadcasts a Wi-Fi signal, and the Nextbase app joins this network to access the camera's features. It's important to note that this connection uses Wi-Fi technology, not Bluetooth. The app on your device connects to the dash cam's Wi-Fi network, providing a direct wireless link for viewing footage, live streaming, and controlling settings. Understanding these Wi-Fi fundamentals helps you diagnose connectivity issues more effectively. You can check signal strength indicators in the app. Identify potential sources of interference like microwaves or neighboring networks, and choose the most appropriate Wi-Fi band for your situation. If basic fixes don't resolve your Nextbase dash cam's Wi-Fi issues, it's time to explore advanced troubleshooting methods. We'll cover firmware updates, router configuration, and interference management. First, ensure your dash cam has the latest firmware. Connect it to your computer using a USB cable and download the update from Nextbase's website. Recent versions like 1.8.2 have improved Wi-Fi stability for both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands. Next, examine your router settings. Ensure it's compatible with your dashcam by checking encryption standards like WPA2 or WPA3 and confirm support for 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz bands. Older routers may need firmware updates too. Some users find success by modifying DNS settings in their router or enabling port forwarding. This can resolve connectivity issues by improving how the dashcam communicates with your network. Signal interference can severely disrupt connections. Common sources include microwaves, neighboring Wi-Fi networks, and physical barriers like walls. These can cause drops, especially on the 2.4 GHz band. Finally, consider switching your router to a less crowded Wi-Fi channel. Channels 1, 6, and 11 on 2.4 GHz are often less congested. This reduces interference from nearby networks and can significantly improve connection stability. Real-world examples show how users have successfully resolved Nextbase dash cam Wi-Fi connectivity issues. Let's examine two detailed case studies that demonstrate different approaches to fixing these problems. Sarah Thompson, a UK driver, documented her frustrating experience with a Nextbase 422 GB dash cam. Her device repeatedly disconnected from the app during long drives, which meant she missed recording important footage of an accident. After troubleshooting, she discovered the solution involved two key changes: switching her home router to operate exclusively on the 5 GHz frequency band and updating the dashcam's firmware to version 1.7.9, which included a new Stable Connect feature. In another case, a fleet of 50 London taxis equipped with Nextbase dash cams experienced widespread Wi-Fi failures. These issues were particularly critical as they delayed recordings of emergency responses in busy urban environments. The solution came through a coordinated group firmware update delivered via cloud synchronization, reducing Wi-Fi outages from 15% to just 2% across the entire fleet. These case studies highlight the diverse range of solutions available for Nextbase Dash Cam Wi-Fi issues. Solutions can be as simple as individual tweaks like changing router settings, or as comprehensive as coordinated firmware updates for large groups. Many problems arise from ecosystem challenges, such as interference in urban areas or compatibility with modern networking equipment. For more real-world examples and community-driven fixes, visit the Nextbase Community Forum, where users share their experiences and solutions. Proactive steps are crucial for maintaining a stable dashcam Wi-Fi connection. Regular maintenance can prevent many common issues from occurring. First, perform annual firmware checks to ensure your dashcam runs the latest software updates, which often include bug fixes for Wi-Fi stability. Second, utilize the app diagnostics feature to scan for potential connectivity problems before they become major issues. Third, consider upgrading to a mesh Wi-Fi system, which provides better signal strength and coverage throughout your vehicle, reducing dead zones. Experts recommend these preventative measures to maintain a stable and reliable connection over time, reducing the need for emergency troubleshooting. Looking ahead, dashcam connectivity is evolving with hybrid solutions and artificial intelligence. The trend is shifting towards hybrid connectivity, combining traditional Wi-Fi with cellular networks like 4G and 5G. This provides backup connectivity when local Wi-Fi fails. Models like Nextbase's upcoming 742GW incorporate this hybrid approach for more reliable connections. AI-assisted diagnostics in mobile apps will predict connectivity problems before they occur and automatically implement fixes. Future models will feature energy-efficient Wi-Fi chips that minimize battery consumption, especially during standby modes. These advancements promise more reliable dashcam connectivity and significantly fewer Wi-Fi-related issues for users. If you've exhausted all troubleshooting steps and the Wi-Fi still isn't working, it's time to contact Nextbase support. Check your warranty for hardware replacement options, as according to Nextbase's user survey, 25% of Wi-Fi issues require hardware replacement. Don't hesitate to seek professional assistance if needed.